got what you can have?
I'm still videoing it.
Good. Where's the license plate on it? Yeah, I can't turn to the driveway, okay?
They're usually like on the
So we
front.
can get a video.
They're usually
Now,
on the
you can
front.
hold on to your phone good enough, you can sit, and not drop it. You can But you can hold it out there. Just try to hold it down. Like kind of hide it from the girl. Yeah, if he turns, get a good footage of him turning out the window. Because sometimes it doesn't look as good when you see through the
Turns.
Oh wait, Mark.
Pulls out a gun.
I would have felt it some more. If we grab get some footage of it.
You didn't think you're gonna shoot him.
You're right.
Jump out.
You're right.
My God, he's probably gonna tase you. Jump out. How free.
All right. Hey, they ain't doing nothing wrong right now. They ain't doing damn thing. So it might feel like me. As long as we don't pull them in the driveway.
Okay, just don't do this very much.
We're just
How's
gonna
that?
keep the ball.
Okay?
He don't even know. He's thinking this is all coincidence.
No, I'm talking about Brody. Don't do this very much.
Check
Do
this
this
out.
every now and then. Look at that. That is so ugly.
There you go, bro. Alright. Should we go straight or turn?
Oh, bro.
It's up to you.
Yeah. 'Cause, I tell you, if I was driving that truck, somebody got behind me like that too many times, come on, man, can I get you? I'd have to sell the truck.
I wonder.
Yeah, but see, it's actually very good because if you get into a wreck, since it's like bulletproof, it won't be too good for the other person, but it'll be good for you, and it'll be good for
Okay.
just you.
So the other guy, he's doomed.
Look, we just going.
He's doomed. Whoever, but you're safe inside that thing. Just paying for safety and not